Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to make money on Mack app on device. So making money on Mack as an artist is absolutely possible. So here's how you can do it. So number one, join the Mack monetization program AMP. AMP allows artists to earn money from their streams. To earn money from streams, there are few requirements like you must be verified on Mack or great check badge. You need to own the right to your music, like there shouldn't be any kinds of remix or unauthorized beats, etc. So to join, so you can log in and fill out the application form from via app or from their website, and after that link your payment account, usually a pioneer. Wait for the approval. Mack will notify when you are in. And number two is use supporters, like use fan powered monetization. Means Mack supporters features lets fans directly support your music by paying for specific songs or albums. How it works: so fans tap the heart support button on a track, yellow heart support button on a track. They can choose how much they want to give, like tipping. You get paid and they appear on the supporters leaderboard. So that's how you can also get paid from your fans powered monetization. And number three is boost your reach. Means boost your reach mean more streams, more money. Upload original high quality content consistently. Use social media platforms to promote your Mack profile. Collaborate with other artists to grow your fan base. That's how you can boost your reach. So number four is other ways to profit from Mack is use your Mack traffic to sell merch, link in bio, and drive listener to your YouTube channel, Spotify or website. Get bookings by showing off stream stats. So that's how you can just earn money from Mack's app on a device. So want help crafting a promo strategy or bio that attracts fan more? Just say that word in our comment section below so that we will help you in our another tutorial video. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.